Before you begin, remove the access panel, the fan diverter rear or rear system fan if installed, and the heatsink and fan assembly. Removal. Press down to release the CPU load lever from its retention tab and pull it back. Lift the load plate off of the socket. Carefully remove the CPU from the socket. Place the CPU in an anti-static bag. Replacement. To replace the CPU, first identify the pin 1 position on the CPU by noting the yellow mark on the corner of the chip assembly. Identify pin 1 on the socket on the motherboard by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil. Align the yellow mark on the corner of the CPU chip assembly with the mark on the corner of the socket stencil on the motherboard. Carefully place the CPU into the socket on the motherboard. Swing the load plate down onto the socket. Lock the load lever under its retention tab to secure the CPU.